Yeah, so I'm outside and I haven't set up my patio and my deck yet for summer because apparently the 2 days that we get of spring, I didn't get out here. 2 days we get of spring here in North Carolina. It's really loud out here, so if I have to do a voiceover, cut this out, I will, because it's that time of day when people are getting off work. But I have a kind of quick DIY project that I'm going to make, and I don't think I've seen anybody do anything with these. Now that doesn't mean that nobody has, it just means that if they have, I haven't seen it. So this is the little spinning turntable. Yeah. Well, it's for your desk to put paper clips, things like that in. This is really easy. I don't have my glue gun with me, and I'm really sorry about the weird camera angle, but it's just, sometimes you just have to do what you're gonna do or it's not gonna get done, and this seems to be one of those days. At least that's my life. I don't know about yours. So if I can get this off, we'll start with this. And this is so stinking hard to get off. I don't know why. I love these rolling pins from the Dollar Tree. However, I can't find them anymore. I actually had to pay a bit more for this, buying it secondhand online on Amazon. And that hurt my feelings. Dollar Tree, keep things in stock, please. I'm gonna spray paint it, I think silver. I was gonna paint it black, and for some reason I had no black paint in my studio. And then it's gonna go in here. And this little piece is gonna go up here, so hopefully the silver will match that. I am not gonna glue it because, like I say, I can't plug in my glue gun out here. And if I can't find another one of these, I'm gonna need it for another project that I wanna show you. Okay, so I am gonna spray paint this, so I'm gonna turn the camera off while I do that. Hello again. What a hoot. Now my neighbor is mowing the lawn. That's okay. If you can't hear me, I will definitely do a voiceover. One good thing about the weather being so hot, paint dries really fast. So what I would do if I were ready to make this permanent is I would go ahead and put some glue on the bottom of here, depending on how permanent a bond I want. It would either be just a hot glue gun, or if you want a more permanent bond, E6000 would be really good. But this fits in here so well. Look at that. It's just amazing. And you could do a lot with this. If you wanted to spray paint it, you could, but I'm planning to use it once I make it permanent in my craft room. And so I don't think I want to put paint down inside here. I don't think that'd be a good idea. The next thing is I'm going to put this up here, and again, what you would do if you want a permanent bond, or at least a semi-permanent bond, you're going to just put you're going to put glue, and I would recommend E6000 because this sits here so nicely. If you just let it sit overnight, it would dry. I just put a little bit where it's touching the wood, make sure it's straight, it's how you want it. It does fit there really, really nicely. What I think this is going to be used for mostly for me is for when I make my embellishments, embellishment boxes, pocket letters, that kind of crafting thing. And you can put different things down in here that you use a lot, like a certain type of glue or some glitter or whatever, paper clips, whatever you're using. And I thought up here would be really cute. Probably some of the metal ones would do better, but I do have some of these little the little clothespins, and they're gonna fit up here, wherever you want to put them. And I'm thinking, I don't know about you, but when the pocket letters, sometimes they get enough on them that they need to dry, and you want to put them out of the way. I think you can hang them up here to dry. If not, with these, with those little metal clips that are a little bit sturdier, and just hang them up here. Or if you're making paper clips, making something with the paper clips on them, you could hang those up here too. And put as many as you want. And you probably can think of some other things that you could do with this. Okay, so that is the ultra simple DIY. And to be handy, for making embellishments, it also turns. Okay, so thanks a lot. I'll probably do an intro for this. But if you liked it, please click like, click subscribe, and if you want to be notified when I upload videos, please click on the bell too, and that way YouTube will notify you. All right, have a great day. Bye.